Hi there, my name is Sarah Hunstead. I'm a paediatric nurse, a mum of two and founder of CPR Kids. And today we're talking about febrile convulsions. Febrile convulsions, otherwise known as fever seizures, are very common in children. 3% of kids will have a febrile convulsion at some stage in their life. We don't know why some kids are predisposed to having them, but what we do know is that a simple febrile convulsion will not do your child any harm. So what is a febrile convulsion? Basically, it's when the child's temperature, basically a fever, rapidly rises. Contrary to popular belief, a febrile convulsion isn't caused by how high a temperature gets, it's actually how fast it gets there. What do we do if our child has a febrile convulsion? Firstly, if your child has multiple febrile convulsions or they have another kind of seizure disorder, you must always follow your action plan from your paediatrician. Now, your child could have both limbs moving, it might be all four limbs, or it might be just two. They could be quite stiff. You may notice that they have more saliva in their mouth. They start to become blue around their mouth. You may notice as well that they are not responding to you at all. And that is all normal during a seizure. So what are you going to do? Make sure there is no danger around your child. Make sure that there is nothing that they can hurt themselves on. Put something soft under their head so that they can't hurt their head on a hard surface. When the seizure stops, or when you can, roll them on their side. Note the length of the seizure if you can, and if there is somebody else with you, film the seizure. Do not put your fingers, a spoon, anything in their mouth, because it will damage their mouth and it will damage your fingers as well. When the seizure stops, if your child is still blue around the mouth, if they have abnormal breathing, then you need to go through DRSABCD, the steps to ascertaining whether or not somebody needs CPR and then actually doing it. The most important thing is to make sure you call 000 ambulance and get medical help.